Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix freezing and app crashing on your Nothing Phone 3a Lite smartphone. So the first universal solution to both issues is force restarting your phone, which requires you holding down the power button and volume up key at the same time. Press and hold them and wait until your device's screen goes off. And after a moment, when you see the Nothing logo appears on your screen, you can release both keys, and then wait until your device is restarted. Now, once your device is restarted, let's unlock it, and this fixes the freezing problem. But if you have an app crashing issue, then you have to go to the settings, then navigate to apps, then select the apps that's the troublesome app from the list, for example the Google Chrome, and then you can go to storage and cache and clear the cache of your application, and then try to re-enter it and see if this helped. And if this didn't help, you can also clear storage. However, this can also affect your device's user data, like login information, so you're gonna have to sign in once again to this application, and also the preferences in this app may be erased if they aren't being stored using cookie files that are stored in the cloud. And this fixes the app issue. But also, if your device keeps freezing, you can restart it into the safe mode, and to do so you can hold down the power button and volume up key at the same time, and hold the power off option for a while. And once you see this kind of notification, click OK and let your device reboot into the safe mode. And in case you cannot use your touchscreen at all, as your device is frozen completely, you can basically enable your device's display, and then start holding down a power button and volume up key at the same time to force restart your device once again, and enter the safe mode in a different way. So once your device's screen goes off, wait. Don't touch anything until the Nothing logo appears on your screen, and then start holding down the volume down button and wait until your device is re-enabled. And it should re-enable in the safe mode, though you may not succeed at the first attempt, and neither do I, or am I. And as you can see, the safe mode indicator appears in the bottom left corner of the screen, which tells us that the device entered the safe mode. In this mode, no applications will cause any troubles, as they cannot work in the background. So you can go into the settings menu and then find the troublesome application and straight away delete it from your phone, or at least restrict its background activity, though I'm not sure if it's done in this menu. It surely can be done in battery menu. If you go to battery, then go to battery usage, and then select the app right here. You'll be able to see the background time and disallow background usage by switching the toggle to the left. You can also go to the system, select reset options, and select reset app preferences, tap reset apps, and then all the apps preferences will be reset to default ones. Then you can restart your phone normally by pressing power button and volume up key and selecting restart, and then your device will reboot into normal mode, and at this point your issue should be fixed. And so that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.